welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's recipe I will be making yam pepper soup. This is what I will be using for today. This is my yam, peeled yam, Maggi seasoning, bell pepper, onions, crayfish, dried crayfish, pepper soup spices, salt to taste, ginger powder, turmeric. I will be using uziza leaf, the dried one. I'll be using goat meat. This goat meat I'll be cooking for 10 minutes. I will just add the Maggi seasoning. I will add my Maggi seasoning. Add a little bit of salt and stir. I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes. I'll start by cutting the yam into small sizes. I'll be cutting it this size. If you want it to be big, you can cut it big. Turmeric, ginger powder, 2 spoons or 3, pepper soup spices, crayfish, time to add our yam. Adding our onions and bell pepper. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I will add my uziza leaf. pepper soup, yam and goat meat. I will thank all of you that always support my YouTube channel, that always come to watch it. May God bless you all. Thank you for joining me. Until we meet next time, don't fail to subscribe and share this link. Thank you all. Bye.